You need a new ice maker. Specifically, you need the supplying demand DA97-15217D DA97-15217B refrigerator ice maker assembly. This ice maker is not universal. It fits specific models. Do you have a Samsung fridge? Then this Samsung fridge ice maker DA97-15217B might be for you. It replaces both DA97-15217D and DA97-15217B. Therefore, compatibility is key. Always check your model number. Furthermore, incorrect parts cause frustration. This replacement is a good solution. It helps fix common ice maker problems finally. You can have ice again. Initially, installing a new ice maker seems daunting. However, this assembly simplifies the process. It is designed for straightforward replacement. Consequently, many users find it manageable. Moreover, clear instructions often accompany the part. Think of it as a puzzle piece. It only fits one way. Still, always consult your appliance manual. In addition, watch online tutorials. They are incredibly helpful. This Samsung fridge ice maker DA97-15217B brings back convenience. No more ice trays. You will appreciate the steady supply. Thus, it's worth the effort. Ultimately, a working ice maker is a luxury. This supplying demand assembly delivers. It's a precise fit, therefore, performance is reliable. Additionally, it means fewer headaches. This Samsung fridge ice maker DA97-15217B is a practical fix. It's not an upgrade. Rather, it restores function. Consider your needs. If your ice maker is failing, this part could be your answer. Furthermore, it saves you money. You avoid a service call. Hence, it's a smart choice. Pros: got it fast, simple to remove and plug it in, works great back to making ice. Excellent replacement, easy to install, fixed my no ice problem, works perfectly, much cheaper than buying a Samsung part, produces ice, modulates quantity, does not freeze over. Installation was a breeze. Cons: bad connector, no clip-on connector, connector wouldn't stay connected, did not produce any ice, return date passed, plug lacks specific locking pieces features. Brand: supplying demand, part number DA97-15217D, alternate part DA97-15217B, product type ice maker, appliance, refrigerator, compatibility, model specific, not universal, assembly required. No, implied. Function: makes ice, replacement part. This supplying demand ice maker is a replacement part for your refrigerator. Its part number is DA97-15217D, and DA97-15217B is also a matching part. This ice maker is designed to fit only certain refrigerator models, so it won't work in every fridge. It comes ready to install and will help your refrigerator make ice again. This refrigerator ice maker replacement: the supplying demand DA97-15217D, DA97-15217B, received mixed reviews. Many customers found it easy to install and were happy it fixed their no ice problem, with some noting it was much cheaper than a Samsung part. They reported it works perfectly, produces ice, and doesn't freeze over. However, a few users experienced problems with the connector, stating it lacked locking pieces or wouldn't stay connected, which led to it not producing any ice. One customer also mentioned their return date passed, leaving them with a non-functional unit.